Hello friend, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yako right here, and today's video you are going to learn how to type text inside text effect in CorelDRAW step-by-step tutorial. But before I dive into tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell so each time I post content about Corel topic, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can type text inside text effect in CorelDRAW. Alright, the first thing to do is to go to your toolbar right here, click and hold down. This time around, make sure you choose text or you press F8 on your keyboard and you're going to be fine. Then you have to come to the workspace right here and make a type. So text. Alright, so next thing you need to do, you can come to the text property from the home tab right here. You can make sure you format the font size. So you just have to come here, select on the text and come to the home tab right here. You can type in the size of the font size. I'm using 100% font size. Then you can come to the font style. You can change the font style to whatever you like. So in this tutorial, I'm using Roboto Black, as you can see on the screen. All right, so next thing I'm going to do is to press P to centralize. So next thing I'm going to do is to come down below right here. I'm going to click on this no fill text. Then once you click on no fill text, right click on the color. Then this allows you to have a stroke color and the text become visible. So next thing you need to do right here is to press Ctrl Q on your keyboard. This allows you to convert the stroke text into curve. So having converted to curve, the next thing you need to do is to come to the home tab right here and make sure you click on break curve apart. So once you break them apart, you have to will be able to select the text one after the letter, one after the other. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So next thing we're going to do is to load our type into this particular shape one after the other. So I'm going to go back to my type tools again. Then once you go back to your type tool, then you have to make sure you drag inside the shape like this, and it's going to create a text frame for you. So once it creates a text frame, then you have to start typing, or you press Ctrl A to select everything and press Ctrl V. This allows you to paste the text of your choice, okay, into the shape. So once you paste the text, you can press Ctrl A to select everything. Then you can come to the font size right here. You can change the font size from the top. So I'm trying to use 3 font size, and you press enter key on your keyboard. So you are going to have something like this. Then you can adjust your text at this point here. What you need to do is to just press backspace on your keyboard. So each time you are pressing backspace on your keyboard, the text move up automatically. Okay, then you can press Ctrl A again to select everything. Then you come to the text format right here. So you can make it full justify. So when you select full justify, this allows all the type to be full of the shape. Okay, then you can also come here and you can change the font style. So this time around I'm going to use area black inside the shape, and this allows you to create a text frame. So once you create a text frame, then you can begin to type, or press Ctrl A to select everything, Ctrl V. This allows you to paste or to load a new text into the shape. Okay, so once you load it, then you can format your text from this point here. Select everything. So once you select everything, you can apply the same font size, and once you apply the same font size, then you have to be sure that you come to the font width, font size, and make sure you use the same font size, which is 3, and press enter key on your keyboard. And then the next thing you need to do right here is to adjust your type in a full canvas. So you just have to tap backspace and backspace, and then everything is going to full like this. Then for you to make it in a full justify, just press Ctrl A on your keyboard to select everything. Then come to the top right here. So this time around you have to click on full justify, or you press Ctrl H on your keyboard, and you are going to be fine. So we move to the next one right here, which is this. Create another text frame into this particular X. So you are going to have it this way, and you have to press Ctrl V to load your text. So once you load your text, press Ctrl A to select everything. Then you have to come to font size. You have to make it the same size, which is 3, and press Enter key on your keyboard. Boom. So you are going to have to come to the font style also, make it the same, which is area black. And then next thing you need to do is to come to the type. So for the point here, you have to click on the type. You make sure your cursor move to the back of the text. Then you have to press backspace from your keyboard, until you get to the top of the tile of the text. Then you have to press Ctrl A to select everything. Then you come to the top right here. Make sure you click full justify. So this allows all the text to fall into the shape. So the very last one here, which is the letter T also, then we have to come here also, and we make sure this is happen, and you click once. Once you click, it will automatically create a text frame. So you just need to make sure that the text frame is appear on your type. Then you press Ctrl V to load it. Then you press Ctrl A to select everything. Then come to the font style. So choose area black, and come to font size. Then make sure you type in 3 to maintain the same font size, and press Enter key on your keyboard. You're going to have something like this. Then you have to come back to the type and adjust it properly. You have to go to backspace and backspace until you get to the full length of the top of the shape. Then you press Ctrl A to select everything, and the next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here. Make sure you choose force justify. So you're going to have stuff like this. Okay, so I'm going to press Ctrl minus to zoom in, and Ctrl minus to zoom in. So we have something like this. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is to make sure we remove all these particular elements around the text. So select everything this way. So having select everything, press Ctrl Q on your keyboard. So this become a shape. Next thing you want to do is to select each of these shape right here, and press Shift key and select the letter T. Press Shift key and select the letter E, and select the letter T, and press Delete key on your keyboard. So you can select everything and press Ctrl J to group them. So this is how you can type text in CorelDRAW step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this in CorelDRAW. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. How it's supposed to feel.